Hello guys, this is Ilyas from Acumen Academy, back again with an awesome tutorial. In today's video I will tell you how to make glitch effect in color pictures and black and white pictures also. But before guys, if you haven't subscribed our channel till now, then please go and subscribe our channel and make sure you watch the video till the end to learn the whole process. So let's start. So first of all, you have to create a duplicate layer by Ctrl+J. Now double click on this layer. In the blending options you can see these channels. From here you have to turn off the red one, R1. Okay. Now you just have to select the move tool and move the picture a little bit and you can see the effect. Now to make it look more awesome, we will give some effects in it. So we'll select any selection tool and make this kind of selections. Now we just have to move them like this with the help of move tool. We have to do this process at different places. As you can see, you have to do this in the whole picture to give the image a glitchy effect. After it, to make it look more awesome, go to here and select solid color. Fill in white color. Now double click on this and in blending option you can see pattern overlay. Select this one, increase it from here. By this the lines will increase and press OK. Now reduce the opacity around 5 to 10 and you can see the awesome effect. So this is how you can make colorful glitch effects. And if you want to make black and white glitch effects, then see this one. Go to image, adjustment and press black and white. After making the black and white, create a copy by Ctrl+J and again follow the same process. Go to blending options, turn the red channel off and move the picture a little bit. Follow the same process for the effect like in the previous one and your black and white glitch is ready. So guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you liked the video. So please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel. And if you want any kind of help on this topic or any other topic, or you need any other video on any other topic, then please leave the comments below. Thank you.